Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to expand this one. Next, this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one, and number 10 divide by this one. We know that x, the square root of x, that is about x to the power of 1 over 2. And now we can simplify like this. So, number 2 minus 1 over 2, that is about 3 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. And now we have the formula in here. So we put 3 over 2 gone here. So this one we have x to the power of 5 over 2 over 5 over 2. The next one, that is about 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. And the next one, that is about 1 over 2 over 1 over 2. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.